Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok not working in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. First of all, check your internet. So you can see my internet work properly, and if you can connect any VPN, so then disconnect here and go back. Your TikTok work properly. If it doesn't work, then open settings and you can see the option of screen time. Click on it and scroll down, and you can see the option of content and privacy restrictions. Click on it. If you want to content and privacy restrictions off, then turn this button off. After turning this button off, your TikTok will be work properly. If it doesn't work, then restart your mobile. For restarting your mobile, press the power button and volume down button at the same time. Slide this button to right side for restart your phone. After restart your phone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then open App Store and check your TikTok updates. If it doesn't update, then update this into latest version. After that it doesn't work, then open settings and go to general and open software update and check here iOS latest version update. If it doesn't update, then update it and your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then the last solution is click and hold this icon and remove this app. Delete app. After deleting this app and reinstall your app, your problem will be fixed and TikTok will be work properly. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.